Hey guys, if you experience the bed bugs in your house, this is what you will do. Throw in the landfill or chop to remove the bed bugs in your house. So every time you're sleeping, you not disturb you at night or you're sleeping. So that's the problem. That's why I remove this because it's totally garbage and very dangerous. So this is what we do. Set aside for the meantime. Chop before put in the garbage. So excess save money for the landfill and the gas for your vehicle. So this is my plan to remove this by little. Okay guys, so that's it for now. Amazing tips because the eggs and the house of bed bugs. So we need to remove this by step process just to remove the other side, other problem of this bed bugs. Lots of eggs, you cannot sleep, you cannot sit. So that's the one reason. That's why I draw it in the side for the house. Okay, so that's it for now guys. This is the tip how to avoid the bed bugs in your house, especially you is sleeping at night, going to work by morning tomorrow. So this is the dangerous. You cannot say it's your loss, it's your happiness if you remove the bed bugs or the house or lots of eggs, lots of big bugs, especially the small one. That's the very dangerous at night or the early in the morning. You're going to work, not sleep well, so they have no power. So that's the problem. So I'll throw it in the garbage for now. I will make a chop and little by little until it's gone. Okay, so that's the best amazing tips for you. If you experience a bed bug in your house, remove it immediately because they going to the carpet, going to the faucet or your cabinet, living chair, dining chair. You know what I mean? So if you want not disturb you every night, you can remove it, throw it immediately. So that's the number one tips for you about this bed bug. It's very dangerous, especially at night or early in the morning. So I throw it. So let's go. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Until next time, until weekend next week. Okay, see you guys. Click like and share and comments. Just subscribe for upcoming new latest uploaded video in my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys.